Hi everyone, it's Patrick with Leather Max, the complete leather repair kit. We're going to show you how to work with this kit and repair all of your leather, vinyl, and plethora, bonded leather, just about anything you want to repair. This kit will do it for you. First, I want to show you my project. My project is a piece of leather that has been cut, nail polished, scarred with all sorts of marks on it. And what we're going to do is we're going to use the complete leather repair kit to take care of all of it in one shot. First, the kit comes with 3 color shades to blend with. The reason why we have 3 color shades is so that if you're working with a brown or a dark brown, you get the bold brown kit. If you're working with the reds, you get the blood red kit, you get the earth tones, there's a beach kit, there's a number of kits available on Amazon for you to pick from, and the nicest part of it is that you can get really close, very, very close to the color that you need, and you're not dealing with the tiny little itty-bitty tubs that the Chinese manufacturers are putting out there today, where you get 7 little tiny tubs and you're trying to use a little chart and mix them all up and you get something that can maybe repair about the size of a dime. This particular kit can cover many square feet, so it can do the whole side of a chair, or it can do the back, it can do the entire seat, and get very, very close to matching. The kit comes with a filler compound, which I will use for the tear. It comes with a small black and a small white, so that you can adjust the shades even more. A sponge, close pore sponge, so you can get a good application on the refinish, and a cleaner concentrate, which the cleaner concentrate is pretty simple. You just drop it in to some water, 5 parts, mix it together, and then that'll be used for you to get any of your oils, dirt, any grime, anything you need to get off of the surface to make sure you have a good dry surface to work with, which is paramount to having a good project come out and have the refinish adhere. You also have the full instructions that go step by step, just like what I'm talking to you now about, but also it has the video links to it so that you can see all that. Alright, let's get started. First thing we're going to do is we're going to test with one of the Q-tips that are provided. We're going to test on this particular piece the dark brown, because I think that's all I'm really going to need is the dark brown. And I'm going to test that right here. Now, looking at that dark brown, I can see that it's a tiny bit lighter, which is great because this is going to be drying darker. Every paint and acrylic refinish and everything that dries, it's going to dry a tiny bit darker. So first thing we're going to do then is clean it up. Use the cleaner conditioner with the water. We're going to go in here and clean up the surface. And you'll notice that my little test thing is gone. That's how quickly it can be cleaned up. Because it's not dry yet, it cleans up right with soap and water or with a cleaner conditioner. So that's nice and clean. What I'm going to do is I will be right back after that's completely dry, and then we will go through the process of filling in this tear with the filler compound and refinishing the piece. Alright, we're back, and I'm going to first start by filling in that tear. I'm using the filler compound. It is a non-toxic formula, so I can literally just pour it right on and use my finger. I'm going to get that nice inside there soaked into the cut, the tear. I'm going to wipe it off my finger. I'm going to wipe off around the edges. So I've got a nice smooth appearance to it. And then we will be right back after that is dry. Alright, we're back and we're ready to do the refinish. We're going to be using the dark brown. I'm going to pour that right into the clamshell here. This dark brown that I'm pouring in will do a number of square feet, so it'll do a full cushion, full back, side of a chair, that type of thing, or tons of touch-up all over the chair, or couch, or handbag, or boots, shoes. You can do just about anything with the refinish. It's an acrylic base, so it'll dry to a nice soft feel, and as you can see, it'll just go right over that. Marks, fills in holes, scratches. And I'm doing the whole piece because you have a better finished product if you don't have just a little blobby spot there. You can go ahead and do the whole back of the chair, you can do the whole cushion of a couch, the whole top of an ottoman, that type of thing. Some of these cracky areas I'm filling in fairly heavily. And as you can see, it takes literally nothing to apply this. This sponge works fantastic. It doesn't leave a lot of lines or bubbles. Just gets a nice smooth finish on there. What I'm going to do is 2 coats, but you don't have to sit here and watch me go through 2 coats of this. I'll be back as soon as the 2 coats are on and it's dry. And we are back and we are done. 2 coats on there. It has a beautiful finish to it. It's a satin finish, plus it has the acrylic that's built into it for the feel and touch. It wears like crazy. This is the Leather Max blended on kit, Leather Max kit. 3 color shades to work with. This is our most popular kit. We sell more than these than any other kit that we have. And the reason why is because of that selection of colors, the ability to adjust the shades a little bit with the black and white if you need to, the clamshell that you can mix your paints in, the sponge, the cleaner, the filler, it's all there. So good luck with your next project and enjoy using the Leather Max kit.